Hey, what's up, Kishu Inu holders? So this is live price prediction video of Kishu Inu coin, and don't worry, my brother. Absolutely, if they were fails down, so this is just and only, my friends, for short time. All holders says me ask me to how a YouTuber says to they will pumps up, but they're not moving upward. They cannot pumps up. So therefore, my friends, I will, my friends, completely clear your doubts too why they're not moving upward and when they're moving upward. So my brother, absolutely there is a lot of chances to Kishu NA is wake up moving upward, but in those days all crypto market is not comfortable. So therefore Kishu NA, as you can see, my friends, minus 6.25%, they are lost now. So don't worry, my brothers, I hope in upcoming time Kishu NA is also, my friends, will moving upward when the crypto market is comfortable. But there is, I think, my friends, especially after the mid of month, chances so they will move upward. Otherwise, my friends, before after the mid of month, I think they were there is a not chance, my friends, so they will move upward, because you everybody know this, my friends, the main reason to in the start of month every coin will move will fails down, but after the start of my friends month, especially first week and 2 week, my friends, they will again starting move upward very fast. So therefore I am so happy, and I hope to in upcoming days they will easily starting moving upward. So thanks for watching, Kishu Ino holder. My prediction is totally going to be positive, and what's your price prediction? Please share it in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.